Hey guys, welcome back to Sambit Mukherjee 360 Degrees. It's very heartening to know that I have viewers in the USA and outside India. Thank you very much for your patronage and please continue it. For all of you people who are new to my channel, my name is Sambit and I love to explore the surroundings wherever I visit or stay. I then share it with you people so that in case you people visit these places, you'll be well prepared in advance. These videos are very interesting and informative, so consider subscribing my channel. Like and share them as it will motivate me and I'll keep uploading more such videos. I upload videos on every Saturday at 5 p.m. India time. Currently, we are exploring the township called Life Republic where I stay. Today will be the 13th episode of this series. In today's episode, you will see how did this township look like during the peak of the lockdown time due to the COVID-19. In the previous episode, we checked how does the township look like in the winter season. In case you missed it and would like to watch it, I'll provide you its link in the description below. And if you want to check all the episodes of this series, I will share you the link of the playlist that I have created for this series in the description below. Watch today's episode till the end to get the most out of it. Let's begin. This is a normal afternoon and you cannot see even a single soul outside. We usually hear birds chirping in the early morning, but now in this daytime you can hear them. The roads are totally deserted. That's the Anisha Global School, even that is deserted. This is the view inside the sector. No one were allowed to enter this sector. Neither anyone living inside the sector were allowed to go out. And there was hardly any maintenance. Only emergency services such as electrician, plumber and the commercial center were functioning. The commercial center was functioning partially and we had to order for home delivery, and those people used to come till the gate of the sector and we had to go till the gate to collect the groceries. Look at the pathetic condition of this swimming pool. As you all know, charity begins at home. So does everything else, including exploring. So start exploring your surroundings and comment below this video about your experience. In case you want to share the videos of your surroundings to me, do share and I'll upload the same in my channel. Just ensure that you hold your mobile horizontally and without any sudden moves of the camera. In case you take the video with your video camera and not mobile, you can ignore the above. Do provide me your written permission, else I will not be able to upload them due to copyright issues. The township management were so strict that they did not allow anyone to get out of the sector. Leave alone the township. Finally, after 2 months of strict restrictions of lockdown, we were allowed to venture out, and that is when I have taken this clip. You can just make out how my car has become. No cleaning at all for the past 2 months. As you can see, all the flower bushes have overgrown on either side of this road due to lack of maintenance. You can check here the overgrown flower bushes. I really cannot explain how excited I was to get outside of this lockdown. There was no traffic whatsoever on the road. Roads were totally deserted. Finally, some cars. On a normal day, we could see busy traffic here. The next shocking thing which happened to me is that I found not even a single shop open. It looked like a zombie town. This really made me feel very insecure and afraid. I kept going on and on but could not see even a single shop open. The only exceptions were medical stores, that too one here and one there. Check out, not even a single shop are open. Really very scary. I had never felt so lonely in my entire life. I could see only the local people on the road. Except them, no one were on the roads. Looks like the local people had not taken the COVID-19 issue seriously. The next weekend, I thought of going out of the sector once again. I had totally forgotten that one of the gates was closed and only one gate was open. So I was about to go out from the normal gate when I realized that I have to use only one gate. So took a U-turn and going to that particular gate. Once the lockdown was partially lifted, they had opened only one side of the gate. From that gate only we had to enter and exit. So we are going towards that gate now. So bright and fine day, but only to find that you are the only soul riding on this road. You see the gate on the left hand side. That is where the commercial center people come and we have to go there and collect our goods. Here it was an abrupt end. I was not allowed to go out. As the number of cases had increased, the gate were closed. Actually, this gate is the entry to the sector. So this gate was being used for entering and exiting the sector. They didn't even allow me to get out to make a U-turn. They asked me to take a reverse from this point itself. There you can see the people collecting their goods on the left hand side of the gate, maintaining social distancing. Alas, we are back to lockdown. They didn't even allow me to go to the commercial center at the Sector 6. That's all guys for now. Let me know how useful you found today's episode in the comment section below. Stay curious, keep exploring, take care of yourself and your loved ones. I'll catch you back in my next episode. Till then, goodbye. Peace.